Monsoon has hit the city and I have turned into a complete monsoon maniac. All through the month of July, I'm gonna show you how I'm a crazy monsoon maniac, meaning I'm gonna make videos about the rain, photographing in the rains. I love the rainy season and I'm totally crazy about photographing.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Since the theme of this month is monsoon, I'm going to share a few tips and ideas with you about monsoon photography in this video. So let's get started. Protect your gear from getting wet. Place your camera in a plastic ziploc or a cover and keep it safe in the rains. Wear comfortable footwear so that you don't slip. Carry dry towels and handkerchiefs. Water droplets on window panes provide a great opportunity to get creative. Get someone to pose for you and create interesting portraits through the droplets. You can also create abstract images by shooting through the wet window panes of a moving vehicle. Puddles and wet surfaces can bring out interesting perspectives. Look out for puddles that reflect architecture, people, nature, yourself, and whatnot. I have a few friends who are happier than me in the monsoon. They are my innocent animal friends. You can encounter so many insects, butterflies, lizards, amphibians, birds, flowers, and whatnot in the rainy season. They will always be happy to pose for you. You can also zoom into flower petals or leaves with tiny droplets in sharp focus. There are so many delicacies I crave to eat, especially during the rainy season, like a hot plate of bhajiyas, Maggi, corn, samosas, misal pav, and whatnot. So before you eat it, photograph it. Do you like such delicacies in the monsoon too? Let me know in the comment section down below what you like to eat during the rains. The hustle and bustle caused by the rains can give you some amazing candid shots, like a candid shot of a person running for shelter, picture of colorful umbrellas, all look beautiful. Capture the emotions of people in the rains. Sullen red of a rain-drenched person, wonderful joy of children, a vendor making hot tea, etc. etc. If you are taking your umbrella with you, try to include it in your photographs. For example, place your umbrella on the upper part of your image to create a beautiful frame and indicate that it is indeed raining. It also helps you block out the excess light and improve your exposure and colors. The sky looks beautiful just after it stops raining. The trees look lush green, the roads are wet, the sunlight is soft. Perfect. Fast shutter speed allows you to freeze the raindrops in your picture. Slow shutter speed allows you to capture the movement of the rain. Try to have some kind of backlight for your raindrops so that they stand out. You can use street lamps, sunlight and whatnot. Just take your camera out, keep experimenting and see what works best for you. I know taking your camera out during the rains can be a bit risky, but if you are careful, it can be very enjoyable and worthwhile. The best part about the rains is that you get that beautiful diffused sunlight, which I really love. And this year I really want to try photographing waterfalls in slow shutter speed, and if I get really lucky, some lightning and rainbows too. I really love the rainy season. Everything is so green, vibrant and fresh during the rains. I really can't wait to click more photographs and capture its beauty. And if you guys found this video to be helpful, give me a good thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on the things you love most about the rains. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. All through the month of July, I'm going to post videos about the rains, photographing in the rain and whatnot. So please stay tuned and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!